Mistake of law are two types. Mistake of law of the land. Second one, mistake of foreign law. Mistake of law of the land is governed by the maxim ignorantia juris non exjudicata. Ignorance of law is no excuse. This is the meaning of the maxim. So a contract is not voidable because it was caused by a mistake as to any law in force in India. For example, that's where A and B make a contract grounded on the erroneous belief that a particular debt is fought by the Limitation Act. The contract is not voidable as per Section 21 of Indian Contract Act. The maxim of ignorantia juris non exjudicata is inapplicable to foreign law. Regarding native laws, we should always see the presumption to know the law of land by everyone who are living in the country or within the very territory of that country. So agreement regarding cutting off certain trees in a forest is against law, so it is considered as a mistake of law of the land as it is prohibited under Forest Conservation Act 1980. In the same way, an agreement on hunting and marketing on certain animals from the forest is also prohibited under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So it is a law of the land, so it is expected from everyone to know the law of the land. So any such mistake of an agreement would be considered as mistake of law. Next one is mistake as to performance of a contract. So one is legal impossibility. Legal impossibility of performance of a contract due to mistake. So Khimji Jewelry of Mumbai reached an agreement with Jain International of Dubai to import 10 quintals of gold. But in between, Government of India banned on all kinds of gold and gold ornaments import to India. So this is a mistake as to performance of a contract due to legal impossibility, as there is a change in law or a new law is brought in the land. So this legal impossibility is also a part of mistake of law. So both mistake of fact and mistake of law are part of mistake as provided under section 22 under Indian Contract Act, while mistake of fact is two types. One is bilateral mistake and the second one is unilateral mistake. So also mistake of law is also two types. Mistake of law of the land and second one mistake of foreign law.